Big up who? Who? Me not hear what you say. But here we are going now. I'm taking the sunset kid.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only pop pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. Me no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope you all doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so Drake shows support for Vybz Kartel, Jahshii and Skeng reunite for peace in dancehall. Aidonia and Govana fallout leave fans shocked. So Drake took to Instagram and showed support for Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall, with a Free World Boss t-shirt. Drake's support for Vybz Kartel is shared by a multitude of musicians and public figures rallying behind Vybz Kartel fight for his freedom after 10 years served behind bars, convicted before the Privy Council overturned his conviction. This is not the first time Drake has showed support for Vybz Kartel. Check out this video.
Drake, free up world
boss, obviously, all day. Adi Medadi, free up world boss. Vybz Kartel is one of my biggest inspirations, one of my favorite artists.
On the other side, about a year ago, Jahshii and Skeng left fans puzzled after their fallout, but that is behind us as Jahshii stormed the stage at Sandz after Skeng performance and made contact with Skeng and took him back on the stage in a powerful display of peace, and we love to see it.
Energy. First of all, the RG First Nation from the dollar is the last for the people.
What Jahshii did not only caught Skeng off guard, but also give fans hope for unity and peace within dancehall music with these two. Again, I hope some new music will come out of this because we love to see the togetherness that all the young artists are demonstrating amongst themselves. And speaking of unity in dancehall, it's reported that Aidonia cut off longtime friend Govana. This unexpected fallout between Aidonia and Govana sent shockwaves through dancehall, leaving fans more confused and in disbelief. I hope this is a case where both artists just need a break and need time for themselves to just focus on other things, and then, you know, in a couple years or so, you know, the artists them might just reconnect like what we saw Jahshii and Skeng did. Aidonia then went on a spree of bigging ups and bigging up a lot of artists like Vybz Kartel, MasickaMusic, and all of these artists. And imagine Aidonia bigging up Masicka and not bigging up Govana is a signal that Aidonia and Govana is not good right now. So just check out this video.
No, Sandz. We are setting up all like artists then. Valiant, big up your damn self. Diplomats. Skeng, big up your damn self. See, me I say big up my father. Me I say big up Alkaline. Me I say big up Papa. See, me I say big up Vybz Kartel. See, you know me and my booze, though. Me I say big up Masicka. See, me I say big up Chronic Law, Rachawal, Paula YG. See, see. But here we are going now. From 2005. Big up who? Who? Me not hear what you say. But here we are going now. From 2005. You rate me as one of the baddest lyricists. And me never fail, you know. Me never yet fail, you know. And me know say no boy can't do this in a real life. Yeah. No boy can't catch me on the try. If you don't want lyrics, say lyrics. Say lyrics. Say lyrics. Say lyrics. Let me know. Squeeze up the trigger on the cigar, clap on your head and the one in your head it bigger than a gizzard. Them dead because of them this the loss. Magical and Diablo, the funny man like Shibada can't cross the border. Horror disaster, shot by them like Chihuahua. Bust head with the 4-4 revolver, or will spin like wheel pan fit up a target. Shoot off and miss up a clap it up and your head get licked off. Chop on the plaza, kill people at night time, but a broad day like killing. We rather me walk with them to gun magnum shot. Don't tell chunk on the rifle, big alpha. Him with the AK, come with the telescope on top of the gun see far. Some boy they put them ends on the seats, them that feel like Itana. What a step, make them a play that me no right for the foreign pandit. Catch him until the boss is from everyone and they go look at it like it's somebody says Sandz!
Drake, free up world.
Boss, obviously, all day. Adi Medadi, free up world, boss.
And I have a gift for you right here. What can you tell the people about Vybz Kartel?
Jeez. Vybz Kartel is one of my biggest inspirations, one of my favorite artists. You want to talk about a guy, you know, coming out of somewhere coming out of a place that has their own thing, their own culture, and absolutely just taking over, becoming like the one person to idolize. You know, I was there. I've been to Jamaica, you know, when the Gully Gaza thing was going on. I've been there before. I was there after, and no matter what, people are always holding up Vybz as an icon. So big up Vybz, man. He's definitely a big inspiration to myself and Party Next Door as well. I know me and Party have had a lot of Vybz conversations. So yeah, and Popcorn, obviously, you know, unfortunately Vybz is incarcerated right now, and that's
energy. I'm taking the sunset kid. I'm going to come down the wall of my friend over there. First of all, the RG First Nation from Canada is the last of the people.
Alright, so make a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about the situation, because Jahshii and Skeng linking up after, you can say, over a year now of not dealing with each other, and they were once friends, and then now we have long time friends Aidonia and Govana falling out after such a long time being friends and musical friends, and now we have this unfortunate situation. Let's see if Govana is going to come out and clear the air, or things will just remain as they are. It does not look good, but big up Aidonia, big up Govana.